Hey everybody, how we doing? Today is, what is today? Monday, April 2nd, 2018. If you guys remember how big this pile was, finally got this burning today, and just picking up more scrap around here and trying to get things burnt down. And so we're getting there. I'm just gonna take some time to do some cleanup, and but the weather's nice today. It's a beautiful day. Let me kick this around here. Hold on. Show you the skies. Absolutely gorgeous out. It's cool. It's not exactly warm, but it's probably about 40 degrees, which is not bad. So there's still no bugs, which is a good thing. So I'm just starting to, like I said, getting some cleanup done and burning off some of this old crap and getting rid of it. And yeah, it's been a good day. Just trying to stay busy. Like I said, that pile was huge, so got it down, fed everything back into the middle, and you know, feeding more stuff onto the fire. So cleanup is part of the whole process, and just getting rid of the garbage. And people are going to say to me, why don't you just take it and burn it in the house? A lot of it was pine, which I'm not going to burn pine in the house, and a lot of it's really punky, like this one here that I just put on. That's really punky, so I'm not going to burn those in the house. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of them. There's other wood higher up the hill that I might end up grabbing and working on that and getting that squared away. There's some wood out there that I can utilize. That's a pine tree there, so that'll actually just get zipped up and tossed in here. That's what I'm going to end up doing with that. And like I said, we're just going to keep working at it and getting things squared away, and you know, a little bit at a time. But that's what it's about. As long as you're making forward progress, that's really what it's all about. But it's a perfect time of year to get out here and get some work done. Like I said, the bugs aren't out in full force yet, which is nice, and it's not so hot that you're dying. It's cool. Now, I'll show you, the water's already down. Even in this area here, it's not as much as it was the other day. And over in this area the other day, that was just all completely full of water. Yesterday, as actually was, and now that's all gone. So it's already going back into the earth pretty good. And like I said, couple days, 2-3 days, this should all be gone too, even though there's a lot of standing water at the moment. And there's Miss Bella. But so anyway, yesterday we ended up bringing in 4.1 kilowatt hours on the day. So far today, and it's only 1:30 in the afternoon right now, we've brought in 2.5 already on the day. So I'm anticipating today's going to be a good day as well as far as solar goes. But no, I'm happy to get this burned off. A lot of people, it was funny, I have to tell you, a lot of people were like, oh my God, it's a fire hazard. You know, you're going to catch the woods on fire and all this type of stuff. Well, first of all, we don't really have, up in New York here, we don't really have a lot of forest fires, I'll be honest with you. We have a pretty wet climate. And with all the rain and everything that we just had, and all the snow melting off, the ground is pretty saturated. So it's actually a perfect time to do this, to burn this off, and you know, not have any issues at all. And if it had been dry for weeks and weeks and weeks, that's another story, okay? But we haven't. I mean, we've had, you know, like I said, we had a lot of rain and stuff like that. So, you know, that's why it's, you know, this is a good time to do this. And it's not a really heavy-duty wind today. A little bit of a wind, but nothing major. And like I said, it's just a good day to get this done. And so that's what I wanted to get focused on and start cleaning up some more, which is what I'm doing. And just doing a little outside work today, which is good. We got some rain coming in later in the week again, so it'll be good days then to do stuff inside. But you know, we'll just keep working at it. Tomorrow, just so you guys know, I'm going to do the drawing for the 2 winners of the headlamps, because then it'll be a week. And so I'll announce who the winners are, and then have them contact me, and then we can go ahead and get those out to you guys. So so you can see the wind's blowing a little bit now. Yeah. But like I said, the ground's pretty saturated, so there's really nothing to worry about. It's a good little fire going though, so that's a good thing. Get rid of all this nonsense. Get some cleanup done. That's what it's all about. But yeah, so we're getting there. It's going to be a good day. Like I said, weather-wise, it's absolutely beautiful. Temperature-wise, not the best, but you know, it's not horrible either. So good working weather. So anyway, I hope everybody's having a good week. And got some stuff on the lens. Hold on. Let me try to. Sorry, guys. So I hope everybody's having a good week, start of their week, and but I like getting production done. I like finally getting out here and getting some things done, and so I'm gonna get off this video here shortly, and I'm gonna add some more stuff onto the fire so it keeps going, and burn this crap off, which will be good. But here comes Mr. Buddy. What you doing? What? Yeah. Yeah. But they like being outside. When the weather's nice, they like to be out. They all freaking went out this morning. What, baby boy? What? You okay? Yeah. He's very talkative. He's a good cat. He's a good mouser, I can tell you that. A lot of people ask me too, you know, and I have to laugh when I hear this. They said, "Do you have any problems with mice and stuff?" And I'm like, no, not at all. With 5 cats, and they're all out hunting and doing what they do, you know, I don't have any problem with them at all. And even like when we get the chicken coop built, you know, people are like, "Oh, you're going to have problems with, you know, rats and whatever and stuff." I really don't think so, to be honest with you, because of the cats. The cats will take care of anything out here. So we don't really have a lot of rats out this way, so I don't think we'll have a problem with rats. Mice maybe, but like I said, as soon as the mice think they're going to move in, the cats will take care of them. So, but that's about it. Anyway, I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I can share with you. I try to, you know, like I'll see the comments, and like I said, I can't get to every comment anymore. I just can't. I try to go in and answer here and there, but you know, since the channel's gotten as big as it has, it's just been, it's like, oh my God, there's no way I can keep up. And then there's Mr. Lucy. What's up, Mr. Luce? Yeah. And we got Soxy. I'm telling you, they like to be up my butt. So somebody asked me about Mr. Lucy. We got to talk about that. When my daughter got her, basically he, I should say, when my daughter got him, he was a stray from next door that they had moved out and left their cats, and he basically adopted us. We thought he was female because he was so small and Buddy's so big. So the Heather and I can't think of the other girl's name. I was dating a woman and her daughter. The two of them decided to name the cat Lucy, and so he became Lucy, and then we figured out later that he was a boy, so he became Mr. Lucy. So that's why he's Mr. Lucy. But he's a good cat. So anyway, but anyway, like I said, I can't get to all the comments. I try to get in there and answer some, but since the channel's gotten as big as it has, and I appreciate that, you guys, I'll tell you what, I really truly do. I appreciate the support. I appreciate people watching every day. It makes me feel really, really good that you guys care. Like I said, we're going to have some good projects going on this year, and I'm excited for what we're going to be getting done, and it'll be fun. It'll be fun. It'll be an interesting year. So anyway, on that note, I will let you go for now, and I will talk to you tomorrow, and stay tuned tomorrow for the drawing for the winners of the headlamps. Remember, guys, hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day, because tomorrow's not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen. And remember, STD. It's one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Even doing methodical stuff like this, it's, you know, not real exciting and not real thrilling, but it's getting something done. And that's what's all you got to do. You work at it methodically, and you will get to where you want to be. Okay? I will talk to you all tomorrow, and I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope your week is going well. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.